Bruce from Safari, and we're alongside this Feadship here. It's built in 1971, steel hull. I just love all the flags and the bunting on top, and Steve at Proyacht told me that's what he saw in the original brochure for this boat, built in 1971, and so put it on here now. Let's go in and have a look at it, and this has been totally refitted. We're on the back deck here now, the aft deck. Just imagine having your sunset drinks here, and let's go inside. Look at all this beautiful timber work here. So to give you an idea on the timber work here, let me just show you the varnishing here. There's 14 coats of hand painted varnish on this, sanded back, and then 2 that are spray painted on. So the whole boat, all the timber has been redone. Most of it's mahogany. And then, wow, Steve, this looks incredible in here. And yeah, this is the saloon, and that goes down to the owner's cabin. We won't go down there. And look at this beautiful timber all the way down. It's been done by Proyacht here. The whole refit, it's just absolutely first-class quality. Even the carpet here is to look like the original, but still have a modern feel to it, and I think it does that. So let's go in now into the helm station. Before we show you all the screens, they're not all set up yet, let's just have a look at the vectron screen here. So 3-phase coming in that you can see here, 3-phase going out. So we've got 3 15 kilowatt inverter chargers on there. The DC going out here, which is coming out through Scotty, is 453 watts going out on the 24 volt side. Now let's just touch this and go into our device list. So we've got the freezer and the crew here, the fridge and the galley running. We've got the link shunt that we're running on, and then we've got a couple of chargers here, a Phoenix charger, which is doing a house 24 volt battery that we've still got in here that we're feeding with Scotty, and we've also got this running when it's on shore power. We've got the Quattros there, then we've got the Skylar is doing the starter batteries, and that was existing in the boat, but they're on the can. So, and they're in storage mode at the moment. So that's basically how we've got that set up, and we'll have a look at the screens in a minute. Now we're in the helm station here, and this is a FLIR thermal camera, and we're just looking out ahead at the moment, and but it's designed to give you the images at night, so you can see anything in the distance there. And there's also a sonar underneath, a forward-looking sonar under the boat, and there we've got just the sonar here, so we're in 2.2 meters of water, and there we've got the navigation, the nav map. So, and this last one here has got the tanks on it, but they're just filling up now. So we've got tanks, thermal camera, navigation on the plotter, and sounder, and the vectron. And then this is all driven with a mouse that you can see here, and then the engine controls are these 2 here that we've got running here. That's the bow thruster. And it's just absolutely beautiful. The set here is custom done, and a couple of big bing bags in here. Even the plants, just absolutely beautiful. I'm going to go down into the engine room. So this is the galley, and very nice. Let's go down. This is the staff quarters and family and crew. It's very nice in here, and there are bunk beds in there. And then the engine room is, and there's, we've got our Vectron inverter chargers running up there. The engines are all ready to go. We've got our Scotties down here, of course, got 2 of those. And we've got all the switch gear on here. And then we're ready to set up and rock and roll and do the sea trial. Gotta say, how good's that?